Question number 1. What was the name of Chaucer is? Answer is 14th century. Who called Chaucer a bridge between the Middle Age and the modern age? The answer is Catherish. The next question. What is the name of the rebellion of Black Death? The answer is Great Pestilence. The next is England won laurel in which battlefield during the time of Chaucer? The answer is the Battle of Crecy, Poitiers and Agincourt. The next question, when the Battle of Crecy took place? The answer is 1346 at 26 August between France and England. When the Battle of Poitiers took place? The answer is 19 September 1356. The next question, when Battle of Agincourt took place? The answer is 25 October 1415 near Agincourt in northern France. Next question is, when and where Chaucer took birth? The answer is 1340 in London, Thames Street. The next question is, what was the name of Chaucer's father? The answer is John Chaucer, a dealer of wine. The next question, what was the mother name of Chaucer? Aizine, daughter of Compton. Next question, what was Chaucer's wife name? Philippa. The next is, which age is called as an age of transition and unrest, social change and the rapid political change also? The answer is the age of Chaucer during the time of 14th century. Who remarked it about Chaucer? Chaucer paints what he sees, and what is more, he completely affects himself. The answer is Legais. Next question, who remarked about Chaucer? Here is God's plenty. The answer is John Dryden, that Chaucer gave a complete picture of 14th century of England. Next question is, which books he has given on the basis of the French influence? Answer is, first is the Roman de la Rose during the time of the 1369, and the next is the Book of the Duchess, which he has given in the same time, the 1369. The next question, how many books are given by the Italian influenced by Chaucer? Answer is the House of Fame and the Parliament of Fowls, the Troilus and the Cressida, and the next is the Legends of Good Women, which is depend on the influence of the Italian poets. The next question, who called Chaucer the mocking star of English muse and the first warbler, morning star and the first warbler? Who has said about the Chaucer? Answer is Tennyson. Next, who remarks is about Chaucer? Chaucer was a compound of 30% of Goldsmith, 20% of Walter Scott and 50% of Fielding. The answer is A.W. Pollard. The next question, Chaucer found it English language brick and left it marble. Who made this remark? The answer is John Dryden. Next is, at which age he was taken into the service of the Duke of Clarence? Answer is at the tender age of 17-year-old. Who was the first and the real benefactor of Chaucer? The answer is John of Gaunt, the Duke of Lancaster. Next question, who influenced Chaucer in Italy? Dante, world's classic writer of Divine Comedy, Petrarch and Boccaccio. Next, which year Chaucer was upgraded to the position of the controller of custom? The answer is 1374. Next, who were on the throne during the time of the Chaucer? Answer is Edward III, Richard II and the Henry IV. Next, when he had entered the British Parliament as a member? The answer is in 1386. Next is Chaucer's principal poetic work. We can take as the name of the Canterbury Tale, which come during the time of the 1387, written closing year of his life. Next is the Book of Duchess, which come during the time of the 1369, and the next is Troilus and the Cressida, which come 1382-83. Next is the Parliament of the Faust, which come during the time of the 1382, and the next is the House of Flame, which come during the time of the 1384. The next is the Legends of Good Women, which come during the time of the 1384. Which is the correct sequence of language used by Chaucer? His answer is Latin, French, and English. The next, the age of Chaucer was the transition period of. The answer is medieval and the Renaissance. The next is, which poem by Chaucer was written on the death of Blanche, the wife of John Gaunt? Blanche was the wife of John Gaunt, the Duke of Lancaster, and Blanche is the Duchess of the Lancaster. The answer is the Book of the Duchess. The next, who were the contemporary of Chaucer? The answer is Langland, John Wycliffe, and Gower, and Mandeville also. That period of John Gower was from 1330 to 1408, and the Langland's period was during the time of the 1332 to 1400, and the Wycliffe's period was during the time of 1320 to 1384. What is the rhyme scheme of Troilus and the Cressida? It is a poem of 7-line stanzas, and the rhyme scheme is A B A B B C C. The next is Old Testament written by John Wycliffe. The next is, who describe morning star of Reformation? The answer is John Wycliffe. The next is, what is the full title of the poem Piers the Plowman? The answer is The Vision of Williams. The next, who said about John Gower, a more typical representative of his age and class than Chaucer could claim to be? The answer is David Deutsch. The next is, how many visions are there in the Piers Plowman? The answer is 3 visions. Next, which work is the first major work of John Gower? The answer is the Mirror d'Amour. The next is, who is known as the author of the novel book The Travels of Sir John Mandeville? The answer is John Mandeville. Next, Leonardo da Vinci and the Christopher Columbus are believed to have relied upon. The answer is John Mandeville's books. The next is, what is the other name of the Mirror d'Amour? The answer is Speculum Meditatis. John Foxe called Geoffrey Chaucer with the name of Right Veclean.